Hi there, I'm Scott Lowe with ActualTech Media. Today, whether you're gathering user data from mobile devices or sensor data from manufacturing lines, much of modern computing has shifted to what we now call the edge. At the edge, data needs to be utilized immediately, and sometimes it has to be then sent back to a core of some kind for continued training or learning and deeper analysis. This has led to a need for a new kind of architecture. In fact, edge computing has led to the development of a design pattern called Lambda Architecture, which manages large volumes of data by leveraging both stream and batch processing methods, both of which I'll talk about now. The streaming layer is used to process data in real time, and it's useful for identifying anomalous values, like a temperature being out of range, and then based on that anomaly, either taking an action or firing an alert of some kind. The batch layer stores the large volumes of data coming from devices and provides computing power needed to drive analytics. This has also led to a need for a different kind of database, and that's where I'm going to talk about Vertica. Vertica is a column store database which offers a number of benefits for large-scale analytic workloads. With Vertica, data is stored in columns rather than in the traditional mixed data pages of a legacy relational database. This allows for a much higher degree of compression, which greatly reduces the storage space required for the data. And that reduced space, in turn, allows the data to be processed much more quickly. The massively parallel engine enables scaling out the workload across multiple servers, and that means that data can be stored in an ordered fashion that improves performance on frequently run queries. Vertica can be leveraged throughout the IoT infrastructure spectrum to support an array of needs, from rapid ingest to high-performance big data analysis. And on the hardware front, Vertica can be used with the HPE EdgeLine Converged Edge Suite to run machine learning models at the edge, as well as aggregate data to pass back to the core with 3 points of convergence of IT or OT systems that enable building an intelligent edge: deep analytics and compute, data acquisition and control, and enterprise management. Vertica is an enterprise-ready ANSI SQL analytics solution that's easily deployed by existing IT staff. It doesn't require highly skilled and highly expensive teams of data scientists like other solutions. Vertica also supports connections to a wide variety of big data platforms such as HPE MapReduce, Cloudera, and Apache Spark. This allows Vertica to be an analytics hub, modernizing data architectures. Most modern big data implementations use some kind of a data lake methodology to capture raw data in its original format. Vertica can help you accelerate your time to value with this data by providing an interface that enables access to a scalable ANSI SQL solution. Combining Vertica with Hadoop ecosystems like HPE MapR Data Platform builds a complete integrated analytics solution that offers fast native SQL on Hadoop without the hassle of connectors. And with a single data set from Hadoop and Vertica, analysts avoid writing MapReduce jobs and using unfamiliar tools, and they simply write queries or use a reporting tool to analyze data. Given the volume of data that can be stored in a system like Vertica, these types of systems can become targets for intruders, so there's a security implication we have to think about. And this is where voltage-secured data comes into play. Voltage-secured data offers data-centric security that enables format-preserving encryption and works with big data platforms such as Vertica and Hadoop. The number of edge computing devices continues to grow exponentially year over year, and designing IT architectures to capture, process, analyze, and derive deeper insights from that data will be one of the defining problems of the next decade. Using HPE EdgeLine for your edge analytics in conjunction with Vertica lets you process massive amounts of data and run fast analytics for deeper insights at the edge. The advanced analytics offered by Vertica enables deep exploration of the data, and when combined with HPE MapR Data Platform, allows you to derive insights from petabytes of data. Finally, you can keep all of that data secure using voltage-secured data, which you can directly integrate into your Vertica environment and encrypt your data with virtually no changes to your data structure or reports. To learn more about supporting IoT analytics workloads from the edge to the core to the cloud, be sure to visit vertica.com.